So here we're given a rectangle in which we know one of the sides is 14 and the angle here is 60 degrees. The question asks, what is the length of the diagonal? In red there. Okay, so in order to figure this out, we need to be able to zoom in on the details here, in which we know that this is a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. If that's 90 degrees and here's 60 degrees, and this forms a triangle, what would be the measure of this angle there? If you say 30 degrees, you are correct. So here we have a special right triangle, a 30, 60, 90 degree right triangle. So you can apply the rule that we've just talked about, in which you can say that this side is the short side, this here. So that will make this the long side. So here we have the short side, and then the long side. And here, your hypotenuse. Okay, there is a nice relationship that we can use for this triangle here. You know that if you let the short side be x, the long side is going to be square root of 3 times x. So we'll say this is x root 3. So the hypotenuse will be twice as long as x. So hypotenuse is, we'll say, is 2x. Okay, we've talked about quite a few things there. So let's go back to what the question is asking. It's saying, what is the length of the diagonal? Okay, so if the short side is 14, what is the hypotenuse there? Okay, so if x equals 14, the hypotenuse is 2 times x. So 2 times x is equal to 2 times 14, which is equal to 28. Okay, so 28 units. So again, this is the short side. Here is the hypotenuse. Okay, it's of 28 units. Now, just for fun, what would be the length of the long side? Well, it's going to be square root of 3 times x. So x root 3 is equal to, well, x is 14 times square root of 3. The best we can do is just leave it at that.